Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. First of all, excuse me for my irregular uploading scheme. I am very busy at the moment. Nevertheless, I am working on finalizing my homemade milling machine. You can expect another video about my mill within a few weeks. It is almost ready for serious use. Speaking of my milling machine, this is the electric motor that will power the mill. It is a 500 watts motor with a 15-minute load cycle. Fully loading this motor for longer than 15 minutes may result in overheating of the windings, thereby decreasing lifetime or even burn out the motor. What I want to do is apply an automated cooling system to extend the load cycle of this motor. For the prototype, I'm using an Arduino with a LM35 temp sensor and a relay to send power to the cooling fan to prevent the flow of too much current through the microcontroller. This is all of the code, adjusted in such a way that only touching the sensor by hand is enough to start the fan. There are some variables in the code that can be adjusted to calibrate the software with the sensor. While we are at the subject of Arduino and coding, this is a little sneak peek of the electronics I'm working on for my milling machine. Please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and until next time.